Okay, last time we were in the Apache web server. We installed Apache, and now what we're going to do is we're going to use it. So while you were gone, one thing that I did was I went into administration and I turned off SE Linux management, security enhanced Linux. I turned it off so it wouldn't get in the way. Just thought I'd let you know that. Okay, to start up Apache, all we got to do is go to System, Administration, go down to Services, and open up our services. And the goal of this is going to be to start up the HTTP server, because even though we've installed it, it's not running. And what we can also do is we can install it as a service or a daemon process that will start up as when the computer starts up. So two choices here: start the server and run the server, or start the server and set it up so that the next time we restart our computer, it's already running. Or that it starts up when the computer starts up, when the operating system fires. Okay, so here's my tool just opened up. I'm going to drag open the window a little bit. And these are all my services here. And it's a pretty nice interface. I'm just going to scroll down to HTTPD, or the HTTP daemon, and I'm going to select it. And you can see that the service is disabled, meaning it's not running on startup, and the service is also stopped. So I can just fire up both things if I want. I can start it here. I'll have to put in my password, root password. And so that's going to start her up. And I'm also going to enable the service so that the next time I restart the computer, the operating system, it will run by default. Okay, so there we go, it's running. Okay, and now to test to see if the web server is actually working, you open up a browser window. And what you can do is, opening up a browser window, you can type in into the URL field the name localhost and hit return. And if you see this page, the Fedora test page, it tells you that this page is designed to let you know that the web server is indeed working. But not only that, it tells you where you can. So I know now that the web server is working, but it also says that there's nothing in this web server. We don't have a website yet. This is the default page. So it tells you all you have to do is go here to root folder var www HTML, and if you place a web page named index.html in this directory, that will be your home website or your home page. Okay, so there you go. And this is localhost that I typed into the browser. I can also type in 127.0.0.1, my loopback IP address. And if I do that, you can see I get the same page. Okay, and so I know my web server is working. Now, to configure the web server, what we're going to need to do is use the System Administration pull-down menu and go to Server Settings, and there is HTTP GUI Configuration Tool, which installed. And also you will need to run your password. Remember, this is all using Fedora, but it would be similar in other versions of Linux. And here is the Apache GUI configuration.